Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Rizalyn Alvarez.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Okay, where do you live?
I am from Santa Cruz, Laguna.
What is your height and your weight?
I am 5'1" tall and I'm 47 kilograms.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate.
Okay, and are you married or single?
I'm a single parent.
Single parent. How many children do you have?
I have 2 boys, 4 years old and 2 years old.
Okay, and
Ma'am, uwi na kami.
how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters and one younger boy.
One young brother.
One young
Okay,
brother.
are you ex-abroad?
No, ma'am.
But this is your first time applying abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines? Do you have any experience as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to be learned.
You're willing to learn. Okay, so, but do you know how to do a household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of household chores can you do?
I can clean the house. I can wash clothes. I can cook but Filipino dishes, but I'm willing to learn Chinese.
Okay, what kind of Filipino dishes can you cook?
Adobo, sinigang,
What else?
pinakbet,
How about fried rice, fried chicken?
fried
like that?
chicken.
Okay, so you know a lot of Filipino dishes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about newly born? Do you know how to take care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Based on your own experience, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you show us how to feed a newly born baby?
First, ma'am, you have to sterilize the bottle.
Okay.
And mix the
What are you going to put first?
you put the water and the milk and shake it this way,
Okay.
and you check the temperature and it's okay. You feed the baby.
Okay, then after the baby finish drinking his milk or her milk, what is the next thing you need to do?
You have to put the baby here under my shoulder and swipe his back to birth.
Okay, thank you. And how about the bathing procedure?
First, you have to clean the bathtub and put the water and check the temperature, and it is not, and avoid the over temperature, and
Okay.
wash the head.
Okay, you start with the head.
I start with the head and to the face and then the body.
Okay. And thank you. Do you know some children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you show us an example?
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay, thank you. What a beautiful song. And how about young children? Do you know how to take care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, what are the things that you do when you're taking care of young children?
First, I give them breakfast, I give them food, and I'll take them a bath,
What else?
and I watch them while playing, and
Okay, do you know also how to tutor them?